Working a professional video mixer is like controlling the flow of water and what objects will be allowed to float downstream. The video sources are like the mountain springs. As the water flows downstream, it mixes with soil to form a muddy flow in some sections, while other sections may be just clear water. The vegetation growing by the riverside will drop leaves onto the water surface. Think of the pure water as a camera feed from studio or location, and the muddy water as a virtual set or pre-edited footage. The foliage from the vegetation can be considered as graphics such as lower thirds, logos, and running text. The job of a technical director is to switch between the sources and decide when to allow the graphics to appear.